The substation is currently connected to Isinya substation, which is 405 kilometers away from this region at 400 kV voltage level that initially was operating at 220 kV. That means we upgraded the voltage level with the single purpose of increasing the capacity of transmission network, reinforcing the system in Mombasa, as well as building a robust and reliable network to the coastal region.
Mariakani Substation is one of the most strategic substations in the coastal region of this country. As you know, the entire coastal region has no renewable generation energy, and in the past years, for so long, they have been using thermal energy. The Kenyan Vision 2030 is expected to ensure that by the year 2030, the country is 100% renewable with no thermal generation. This Mariakani 400 kV, 220 kV substation that KETRACO has just energized will ensure that we achieve that dream for this country.
With the energization of Mariakani Substation, this has greatly improved the power quality and stability in the coast, and this is in line with the bottom-up transformation agenda, and more particularly to blue economy and trade at the coast.
It's good to appreciate where we came from. This project was being phased out in two phases. The first phase came on board in 2017. That is a line, a 220 kV line from Marabai substation via Mariakani substation to Isinya, then Embakasi in the internal container depot in Nairobi. So that has been operating for about 7 to about 9 years, that is from 2017. And so this upgrade was just to reinforce the capacity for this region. Now, this substation is worrying about capacity of about 1,000 megawatts. I know we have got transformers 200, 2 number times 200 MVA, that's about 320 megawatts. That's more than what the coastal region is consuming at the moment. So we are happy to announce to the coastal people that we have got sufficient power, which is going to be reliable as well as efficient for development, especially manufacturing industry and the hotel industry.
This country and the current government is very keen to transition to 100% clean, renewable energy. This commissioning of this substation, first of all, has enabled this country to reduce substantially the utilization of thermal energy. On the first day of commissioning, we were able to ramp down generation from thermal energy from 100 megawatts to 35 megawatts. That is a 65% reduction in thermal energy. So this substation supports the government vision of having 100% clean and renewable energy. Mariakani does not serve only one county. It will serve several counties, including Lamu County, Taita Taveta County, Tana River County, Mombasa County, and Kilifi County. We are committed as KETRACO to continuously improve and support this country's vision of increasing energy demand. And as we align ourselves to the President's call for 10,000 megawatts of demand, we as KETRACO, we are going to do such projects that will improve quality, provide capacity, and also extend power to where we require to develop this country.
My role in this project was to ensure that the SCADA system is up and running, and the station is visible at the National Control Center. So basically, the SCADA system collects all the important data and transmits to the National Control Center, where we now get the information about the power that is flowing in, the consumption of the area, and also the status of how things are at the station.
During the construction, we created a lot of job opportunity for the local community. And during construction, we also do a lot of technical transfer and provide a lot of the job opportunity for local people. And also, after energization, this project, this substation can provide stable power and power energy to coastal area.
We have implemented several kinds of protection for our equipment. We have transformer protection, we have the transmission line protection, the bus bar protection, as well as the reactors protection. This protection ensures that our personnel are well protected, our customers are well protected, as well as the equipment itself, because they are worth billions of money. The various kinds of protection implemented, we have the distance protection that assists us to pinpoint a faulty location in the transmission line. We also have the differential protection that is quite one of the main protection for the transformers and the lines. It helps pinpoint an exact point or an exactly affected equipment, ensuring that only the affected equipment is isolated.
Mariakani Substation will be a key station for industrialization in this country. From Mariakani Substation, Ketraco is building a line that joins Mariakani Substation to Dongokundu Special Economic Zone. This Dongokundu Special Economic Zone has very high capacity to create jobs, create employment, do value addition, and in that case, Mariakani will be a key component of this government agenda.
For MRM, reliable power means availability of quality and stable power to facilitate our production wherever we need it. In the past, we had incidents of power fluctuation and outages, and it's our hope with the energizing of Mariakani Substation, this will mitigate the few incidents. Also, this will create confidence to other investors to invest in coast region, which will increase the business opportunity for MRM products and also create job opportunity for youths in the coast region.
As a female engineer, I'm excited to see this Mariakani Substation energized, because this means that now we are lighting more homes. The power is becoming more reliable. This means the students will be able to have an easier time reading at night, and at the end, more engineers like me will come up, lady engineers.
It has been a great experience learning the protection schemes, as well as learning how to test them and make sure that they are effective. It has given me an opportunity to understand even our standards as a country and the standards in the protection all over the world.
This project is financed by the African Development Bank and the government of Kenya at the tune of about 3 billion Kenyan shillings. And it supports the agenda of the government, the bottom-up economic agenda for the government of Kenya, by looking at mainly the small-scale industries, manufacturing industry, big industries, as well as the hotel industry at the coastal region. We'd like to appreciate all those involved in the whole process, and we are looking forward to spur economic growth in the coastal region and connecting to the clean energy in Olkaria, in Luyangalani, in Ethiopia through the Susa substation, then Isinya substation, then now currently Mariakani substation through a 400 kV transmission line from Isinya all the way to Mariakani, which is about 405 kilometers away.
I want to give this message to coastal people that there is some good news. Currently, we had a lot of major load shedding at some time when the generation plants from Kibevu thermal plants were down. There were always likelihood of load rationing, and most of the time customers that are running industries also had voltage issues and quality issues. I would like to give them the good news that from 23rd of December 2025, no such events will ever occur so long as Mariakani Substation is on and energized. So those are some of the good news. We would like also to say that for the coastal town, Ketraco is committed to improve quality, provide capacity for industrialization, and on the table are major projects that we are undertaking. Already we are doing a line from Mariakani to Dongokundu, and this one is already funded. We are going to sign the contract too soon, and we want to ensure that we deliver that line within 2 years. By February 2028, we shall have a line joining from our Mariakani substation to our new Dongo Kundu substation. This one, to the people, of course, has a lot of good tidings. First of all, it will create employment. Second, it will provide value addition. And finally, it will improve the general area around Dongo Kundu. The second thing that this substation will do is that we are expected to support generation plans across the country. KETRACO has been always collaborating with KenGen, Kenya Power, and other sector players to ensure that wherever there are plans for generation, we provide support through proper transmission lines. So from Dongo Kundu substation, the government plans to have a natural gas plant that will generate up to 300 megawatts. And this line will be used to evacuate this power not only to the coastal people, but also support other parts of Kenya through our line. We have just advertised a tender for a transmission line that will join Malindi with Kilifi. This will significantly improve reliability in that area because we shall have redundancy. We shall have alternate lines to supply either Kilifi, Malindi, Garsen, and even Lamu. When there is outage or maintenance on the current Rabai-Malindi line, we shall evacuate power through Ravai, Bamburi, Kilifi, then Malindi, then Garsen and Lamu. Those are the major projects that we are currently doing, and as we do other studies, we would like to tell the people of the coastal town that KETRACO has considered the region as a significant load center, and we are going to support other government agencies to ensure that the coastal people are provided with quality, reliable, enough capacity power.